special skill development program and workshop for the specially abled children was inaugurated today under the initiatives of Udayachal, a unit of the Jadav Chandra Bhuyam Memorial Trust. Industry-relevant skill-based training will be imparted to the beneficiaries. And speaking on the occasion, Chairperson and Managing Director of Pride East Entertainment Private Limited, Riniki Bhuya Sharma, said that vocational training would be provided to specially abled persons in a bid to provide employment on the basis of entrepreneurship or skill-based work.
Because of locomotor, neurological.
The Udayachal was in existence for quite a long time, but here we have started with basically the PWD, physically disabled. But right now, since we always work for the disabled, we won't say disabled, we say that specially able children. So now we are coming in a new zone of where we are getting into the BPL categories, where it will be a way of enhancing, or will be a vocational training, so where there will be a lot of scope for employment, and that too on the basis of entrepreneurship or on the skill-based working.
And Chief Guest at the Skill Development Program, Mission Director of Assam Skill Development Mission, Anand Prakash Tiwari, lauded the noble initiative and said that providing skill development training to specially abled is a big challenge, as it requires a different kind of infrastructure and knowledge.
Giving training to PWD, it's a bit challenging because it's require a different kind of infrastructure, understanding, knowledge, etc. And this is a very noble initiative, and I feel that this challenging work will be done in a very, very brilliant manner by this Udayachal team. And I have seen children also and their performance and their enthusiasm. I am sure that they are going to touch the sky. No, that I see. If you will see, there is a separate sector skill council for especially abled people, and Government of India have taken so many experts from these fields, from this field, to design the course curriculum and to design everything. They have designed course curriculum, they have designed infra, they have chalked out requirement, and accordingly we are implementing. Wherever we will get that something may be added, there is a system that we may inform to the Government of India, Sector Skill Council, which is doing all the research and innovation on PWD, because that is PWD Sector Skill Council, and accordingly they will change it or modify it or may add something. So this is a system where everyone is working, and on the basis of the given design and infra, we are working here. If something will be needed, definitely it will be added.
Well, it may be mentioned, Udayachal is a multi-speciality rehabilitation center with in-house physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, as well as special education.